him can do two things. He can do decking or whatever the case is. So he does have skills. So when I see that, I say, all right, maybe him just need little help. You understand? Because him have skill, and what I was being sold at the time, it would have worked, basically. So I thought I saw potential, but obviously he had different motives. You understand? So when I come to my business one and talk, say, me when in the situation, so I know what you talk about. When I come mix me up. This two and a book again. No, but what if? Because me I look on it, I say, maybe true because him knows me a woman will have more money and them thing there. Him probably afraid for like show certain things or whatever. You understand? So I understand and everybody go on, you know, say them a live certain way. And everybody I go on know say them a live certain way. You understand what I say? So me understand that. Me understand that. No, and that me just too giving. I'm very giving. When it comes to my family and my significant other, what the frick? I just feel if you're a good person and a person don't value you, you just come out of it. Travis and me are the artists here. I'm me are the public figure. I'm me are the artist. This is me. What do you mean? Yeah, Maggie, Mother Dubs, yes. Email or check my Instagram. Just click the contact button for Instagram. What am I doing for my birthday? I don't know. I don't know what I do for my birthday. You know what? I never really plan my birthday. I never really plan my birthday. Like, you see me? I always just big up, push. I don't know. I don't really plan my birthday. Whenever I come, I just, you know. Oh, thank you, Angel Voice. Oh, definitely. I'm definitely going to celebrate. All right, Maggie. Thank you, Serena. People, I'm 13 now. But Jesus. Me are soon 30, like. Me are soon 30. I'm still young, but I feel like me I get old. But I never, you know, so when you're young, you start to look far. Start to look far. Like 30, no, when you're younger, like in your teens or your 30, you say, no man. 30 far, but soon come off the calendar. Soon come off of the calendar. You think my past that? I'm young. Young in a age. Old in a spirit. Miss my grandmother, people. I'm not telling a lie. I miss my granny. White House, we got the whole of White House, yeah? She definitely is. She definitely is. Like, sometimes I get up and me really, you know, me literally still I try to expect maybe a call or something. Me not think say, me accept the fact that she gone completely. Yeah, me know say she gone, but it's like, part of me still I hope say, you know, like, but I wish, like every time I feel like I miss her, I just go up on like my phone in our chat and listen back to her voice note them. I just start ball. To just hear her voice, it feels so real, man. I really miss her. Yeah. She there with my man, I'm not telling a lie. She there with me. He will. Always. My condolences. My condolences, dear. Why my ears fearing? Why my ears fearing? Maybe show you wine. I'm gonna tap it. Stop it. Show you which wine. Me tell it. Me can't wine. Me can't wine. I can't wine. I sing. Me can't wine. I cannot wine. will see me on my basket, just to do that for me. I can't whine, I sing. I say I can't whine, I sing. Choo-choo. I sing, man. You not believe me? You not believe me? Hmm? No Sumfest for me this year.
Battery 60%.
Battery 60%. Alright, moving on. May I try to find one? Let me find. Head high. What are they? Oh, yeah, because I just got the context away, right? Happy birthday,